Unfortunately for the skeptic, when it comes to unsupported belief systems, this can be really, really frustrating. So many times people are quite happy to compartmentalise the belief systems. I will accept this, but this set of unsupported claims, quite happy to let through the net. Imagine, if you will, somebody trying to sell you a car. Rusty, flat tyres, maybe a hubcap or two missing, cracks in the windscreen, rear view mirror gone. You know, most of us would think, no, probably not. But then an enigmatic salesman comes along. He says, come on, I can show you, I can prove to you this car works. Let's insert the key. And he turns the key, the engine turns over, and it sounds lovely. Would you still buy the car? You know, probably not. But you see, this in skepticism is where sometimes people, let things fall through the net. It's not just evidence that we're looking for. Someone coming along and turning the key and being all enigmatic, and that's not always good enough. What the skeptic is looking for is sufficient evidence. So, what would be sufficient evidence in this circumstance? Sufficient evidence would be a valid MOT certificate, or maybe a friend who's a mechanic coming and giving the car a once over, or perhaps certificates for previous work carried out, receipts, things of that nature. These would all be considered sufficient evidence for the fact that the car works okay. The more sufficient evidence you have for a proposition, the more your confidence level can improve or be in favour of that idea. This was formalised in Bayes' theorem, a formula for assessing the likelihood of a proposition.